Good morning, friends. Today, 13-1 gets into a new chapter topic. 13-1 is going to be talking about the distance around, which is often count. When I was in school, it was called perimeter. This lesson just talks about adding, subtraction, with measurements. This is the distance around an item. This object is a perimeter. So, a lot of real-world application here. You might have to find the distance around something, putting in like a fence in your backyard. If you wanted to put a fence in your backyard, you have to figure out the distance around the outside of your backyard. That helps you measure and then go by the right amount of fence. So you might have too little or too much to put posts in, whatnot. It says, for name on it, 763, 764, 763, 764. Put your name on it. It says, for this, I don't think you're going to need a ruler. Nope, you're not going to need a ruler. You're just going to need your whole handy pencil and a brain. It says, what is the distance around the door? So if you're just looking, you're like, 7 and 3, 10, easy, done. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we're going to write an equation here, and then distance around is 10 feet. No. Why is that not the case? Well, guess what? This side, from here to here is 7 feet. From here to here is 3 feet. But from here to here is also 7 feet. And then down here is 3 feet. So my equation, the distance around the door, 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7, the distance around the door. So now I'm going to add 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3, or 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7. Now if you combine, and you're just like, 7 plus 3, I know that's 10, and then that is 10. The total is 20 feet. So again, similar question here in cell phone. Everybody loves a good cell phone. You have 4 inches and 2 inches, but then you also have 4 inches over here and 2 inches over here. So my suggestion is to write those in. Write them in so you realize that there are measurements there. And then add the distance around the outside and the perimeter and find 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. This is just comparing. It says how much longer is the red scarf than the blue scarf? Well, if the red scarf is 60 inches and the blue scarf is 45 inches, how much longer means subtraction. When you subtract, you always start with the bigger number. So write your equation. Write your equation for this, for number 4 as well. Make sure there's an equation so I can see your work, not just the answer down below. This is a little tricky. It says, what is the length of the shorter side of the rectangle? We know this side is 20 and this side is 20 centimeters. The problem is we have no idea what these two sides, the distance, except we have a clue. Oh my gosh. The total around the outside is 60. So I have 20 and 20. 20 plus 20 is, you're right, 40. So I have 40 here, and I need to get to 60. How can I get from 40 to 60? I could subtract it. Well, let's see. 60 minus 40. That's pretty easy. No regrouping. 20. Oh, so my answer is 20. No, not answer is 20 because I can't just put 20 here because I'd have to put 20 here. And if I put 20 and 20, it would be 20, 40, 60, 80. Well, I need 60. I have to divide this in 2. I need 2 numbers added together to make 20. Is it 5 and 5? No, 5 and 5 is 10. Is it 2 and 2? No, that's 4. Is it 1 and 1? That's 2. It's 10 and 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Oh, okay, now let's check. This is how we check all of it. You can write it in pencil and check 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 10 is 50, plus 10 is 60. The shorter side is 10 centimeters. That one was tricky. A little algebra there. So if you were solving an equation, I was just showing this to Johnny Barrett. If we had 20 and 20 and we had 60, 20 and 20 and 60, you just subtract the 40. And that's how you get your 20, and then you divide it by 2. Flip it over. This is just a lot of comparisons here. Decide if you need to add or subtract. Write an equation. Here's your equation. Ashley's sunflower is 70 inches tall. Kwame's sunflower is 60 inches tall. How much taller is Ashley's sunflower than Kwame's? Well, 70, 60. 70 minus 60 equals, and that's your answer. Subtracting, how much taller? Then measure the length of a leaf in a plant. The leaf is 15 centimeters. The plant is 37 centimeters. How much shorter? How much shorter, friends? It's subtraction. Always subtract the bigger number from the smallest number. Your minuend has to be bigger than your subtrahend. You might want to stack that over here so you can see it. And last but not least, down here at the bottom, Tyler threw a ball 42 feet and then 44 feet. Sanjay threw a ball 38 and 49. Who threw the longer distance? So add Tyler's together, add Sanjay's together, and then compare them using an alligator in the middle. Just did that. Alligator, alligator, chomp, 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 or equal sign. What is the distance around the placemat? Oh boy. I have 11, 17, 11, and oh, I tore off my page. Oh no. And 17. So what do you have to do? You have to add 17. 17 goes here and 11 goes here. Sorry, friends. 11, 11, 17, 17. So you have to add 17, 17, 11, 11, 11, 11. And add them all together. And that, my friends, is the perimeter of a placemat. Figure out 7, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Regroup, regroup, regroup. You get done, turn it in. If you have a question, come see me.